And here we are inside the Artec Studio. We are going to just look at the environment we just captured and then go inside. I can just pull in here like so. Use this double clicking and I can look around the room in a nice way. Let's get, where am I? And we're back inside the room. We want to look at just this wall here. And let's just make sure we're in the perspective we want to be in so we're able to see things properly. There we go. Now if you double click inside that center space, I can be anywhere in this room and we can see this wall. Now what we're right outside the door now. What we want to do is maybe be a little more in there. Let's just try to move again. It's about the same. And what we're going to do is we're going to start the fusioning process. Well, I don't want to fusion everything, so I'm going to duplicate this whole tree. Actually, got to be out of the editor. Let's click duplicate, project 4, duplicate, and we're going to turn these ones off in case we need them later. Click these back on. We are just going to fusion just this area. Inverse erase. We don't want nothing but just this, right? Tools, registration, run the global registration, done super quick, very small errors. Fusion will do. Can you do fast fusion? You cannot. Return, no. Maybe this has to be 20. Doesn't matter. Okay, so you have to do smart, sharp, or smooth. So let's do smart. Sharpness 0.02. I don't know what that means. Don't be that sharp. So 0.07. Let's see what that does. Max res, that's fine. Fill holes, none, and run. We will come back. Still working. Let's just say it's difficult to view that, right? It's difficult. Let's just hit save measurement. going to zoom out so I can see the whole thing. There it is. It's now been a little easier to see. The smart region, I'll duplicate it again, so I'll delete it because I want it. And I'm going to erase there. And I'm going to do actually, all I really want is this area. And I'm select inverse. Is that right? Nope, looks like it didn't. It got. Go to the side profile, maybe click back like this, rotate a little bit, and I can do this rectangular selection, but deselect and just do that much, inverse erase. Now we have just the wall we need to work with, this whole area. Now, matter of fact, let's just texture it, right? Like, you can just put this in the viewport, texture, pick 3. Let's see, actually close this. Let's say it's what's that? It's 4, 1, 2, and 1, 2, 3. So, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, maybe. Let's just get 24, 8, apply. Retexturing because the other texture didn't work as good, so we retexturing this 1 and 2. Should be a lot cleaner. Pretty amazing. in order to get a section, which was the other one was just CSV file exporting. This one is actually sections. Sorry, not just mesh, but sections right here, parallel to XYZ. Click in the bottom, and you can drag up to the section you want, and then you can just see, oh yeah, I want this area. You can click rotate, scale, whatever you want to do. As calculate. As you can see here, built a section. I can name it. I can call it section 2. I'm going to click save selection. Now I can turn these off. Section 2, there it is, turns it back on. I can click export, and it's an exported DXF. Q Arts. What is it? Q Arts right here, low quad 2. And we're going to call it section test 1. Okay, and then also, if you want just this wall, you can also click this off. Uncheck this, turn this back on, right click, export. We'll export the mesh, Q Arts, low quad 2, low quad 2, and we'll call this low quad wall 1, OBJ export. There it is, you have an OBJ file and a DXF. Let me know how that goes.